Awning Windows Houston, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles Houston offers, residents can find the perfect match for their home design. Awning window contractors in Houston provide expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient awning windows in Houston are a top priority for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide excellent insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Houston awning window experts can guide you in selecting the best energy-efficient options for your needs. Custom awning windows in Houston allow homeowners to personalize their window designs. With a range of awning window materials Houston residents can choose from, including vinyl and aluminum, customization options are endless. Houston Custom Awning Window Services ensure that each window is tailored to fit your specific requirements. Awning window replacement services in Houston are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you're dealing with damaged windows or simply want an upgrade, Houston Awning Window Replacement Services offer reliable solutions. Awning Window Replacement. Houston specialists can also address minor issues to extend the life of your windows. Affordable awning windows Houston residents can rely on are available through various suppliers. Houston awning window prices vary, but competitive quotes ensure you find the best deal. Awning window companies in Houston provide a range of options to fit any budget. Awning window showrooms in Houston offer a first-hand look at the latest designs and features. Houston awning window reviews and ratings can help you make informed decisions about your purchase. Visiting a showroom allows you to explore different awning window sizes in Houston and find the perfect fit for your home. The benefits of awning windows in Houston extend beyond aesthetics. These windows provide excellent ventilation and natural light, enhancing the overall living experience. Features of awning windows Houston homeowners appreciate include their durability and ease of use. Awning window suppliers in Houston offer a wide selection of products to meet diverse needs. From traditional to modern awning window designs, Houston suppliers have it all. Awning window specialists in Houston can assist in selecting the right style and material for your project. Vinyl awning windows. Houston residents are known for their low maintenance and energy efficiency. Aluminum awning windows Houston offers are valued for their strength and sleek appearance. Both options are available through reputable Houston awning window companies. Houston awning window quotes provide transparency and help you plan your budget effectively. Awning window experts. Houston Trust can offer detailed estimates and guide you through the selection process. With the best awning windows in Houston, you can enhance your home's value and comfort. Awning window options in Houston cater to various preferences and architectural styles. Whether you're looking for traditional or contemporary designs, Houston awning window styles offer something for everyone. Awning window features Houston residents' love include their versatility and adaptability to different spaces.